Okay, you've got to try this one. We're doing hot honey garlic chicken over coconut rice. It's sweet, it's sticky, and honestly, it's way better than ordering takeout. Let's go! We're starting with the rice. Take a cup of jasmine rice and give it a quick rinse. Trust me, it makes a huge difference. Throw that in the pot with a cup of coconut milk, a cup of water, a bay leaf, and a pinch of salt. Let it come to a boil, then drop it to low heat and cover it for 15 minutes. Then let it sit for 5 minutes at the end without peeking. Grab a pound of cubed chicken. We're seasoning with olive oil, salt, pepper, garlic powder, and paprika. Nothing crazy, just solid flavors. Mix well to combine all the seasonings. Now, here's the move. Toss it in half a cup of cornstarch. That's how you get that light, crispy crunch without a heavy batter. Practical chef fact: cornstarch makes chicken crispier than flour because it creates a lighter, crunchier crust. Get your pan nice and hot, medium-high heat, with enough oil for frying. Lay the chicken in there, but give some space between each piece. If you crowd the chicken, they won't get crispy. Give them about 2 or 3 minutes aside until they're golden brown and crispy. Grab a pan and get it over medium heat. Toss in your butter and that minced garlic, and just wait for that smell. It's easily the best part. Now, go ahead and pour in 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, a 1/3 cup of honey, a tablespoon of Sriracha, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, a teaspoon of ketchup, and a teaspoon of vinegar to brighten everything up. Throw in half a teaspoon of red pepper flakes for that extra kick. Just let it bubble away for about a minute until it transforms into this thick, gorgeous glaze. Now, toss the chicken in and get it well mixed. You want every single piece coated in that glossy sauce until it looks like a glaze. I mean, just look at that shine. It's perfect. Quick secret for the garnish: slice your scallions into thin strips and toss them in ice water for 3 minutes. They'll curl up nicely and make the whole plate look fancy. It's super easy, but it looks totally professional. Fluff up that coconut rice and pile the chicken right on top. Sprinkle it with some of the toasted sesame seeds. Then add chopped scallions and those curly scallions we made. They look like a nest, right? I finish it off with some whole dry red peppers for that extra pop of color. It's sweet, it's spicy, and it's perfectly balanced. Simple ingredients, but amazing taste. Hope you loved this one. If you did, give it a thumbs up and join the channel so you don't miss the next recipe. Cook smarter. Enjoy!